Mind if I weigh in? Welcome to Sam Outside. I'm Sam, and, well, I'm outside. I'm outside because it's good for me. I'm outside because it's a healthy practice for my body. A little bit of exercise, it's a low impact. I'm out here because I appreciate, I'm not taking for granted, where I am, when I am, and how I am. All right. I'm making a choice this morning by having this sunny disposition on this sunny morning. No real reason not to, but I can see why you might. So, that might have to do with your sleep. You know, it's not just about how many hours you got. It might be just as much about how deep your sleep was. So, believe it or not, a lot of you have trouble, a lot of us have trouble falling asleep. Oh, busy brain, right? Just thinking about, oh, maybe I should have, and what if, and that didn't go the way I want, right? Tomorrow's another day, so don't worry about it, right? Don't ignore it, learn from it, right? So, might have been some things in your day that didn't go the way you want. Tomorrow's another day. So, resign yourself to that fact. There's nothing you can do about it now, except learn from it. So, right? You might have to make some small tweaks, some small changes. But this is where I want to weigh in, because there are some nights where part of my nightly routine, I think about my day, plan for the next day, more than just a honey-do list and a set of responsibilities with work and family, but for me personally, what are the things I want to do? So, my next step might be, man, if I've got busy brain, right? I do some counting, I do some intentional breathing. But after that, I might just reach to the end of the bed and pull up my 15-pound weighted blanket. Yeah, there's some science behind that. If you don't have one already, it might be worth looking into. It starts to settle your brain. When you have that busy brain, especially if it's not positive and you're starting to stress yourself out, or you're going down the rabbit hole and you can't quite get to sleep, breathing techniques, water, right? Exercise, that'll also help fatigue you as well, physically, mentally, emotionally. But if you're not there, that weighted blanket can help get your brain away from the sympathetic nervous system, right? The sympathetic nervous system, that's that fight, flight, freeze part of your brain, the protection. And when you're experiencing stress, that's what your body's doing. It says, hey, we're stressed, like, protect yourself, right? It's served us well. There's a point to it. But when you're stressed like that, trying to survive, it's not going to allow you to rest, to go to sleep. So you might not even think that it's that stressful, but it's there. You're releasing cortisol, right? That stress hormone. So instead, the way of adding that weight, that 10% of your body weight. So, take your body weight, do some math, 10%. When you have that weight on you, it helps put your body into the parasympathetic. The parasympathetic is that rest and digest. It heals, right? And that's what sleep's all about. That's when we grow. That's when our body detoxifies and cleanses. And if you're not getting a good night's sleep, it's not just the number of hours, it's the quality. If you don't do that, you wake up and you're still a little toxic, physically, mentally, emotionally. Yeah, you're toxic. Your muscles, your organs can have a chance to cleanse themselves. So the weighted blanket releases the love hormone, all right? Oxytocin. It is that little bit of pressure. It's that little bit of a hug. And that's really what you're doing for yourself. Just give yourself a hug and your body just literally settles into it. Now, the drawbacks is that some people, myself included, it's not only the weight, but then it's like, it's also very warm, right? And at this time of year, when I'm trying to heat my home with a wood fireplace, it's a little more challenging to regulate that. So there's some peaks and valleys in there. So the weighted blanket, right? You might put it on to help fall asleep, might kick it off. And then when you want it and need it, it's not there. You got to pull it back. And where is it? Oh, that's 15 pounds on the floor. Ugh, too hard. Go to sleep. So yeah, but it does help you fall asleep. And that's where it starts. Look into it. Thanks for letting me weigh in. Appreciate you. Look after yourself. Helps you look after others. And if you're not in service, well, it's not too late to start. All right. You don't have to be great to start. You've got to start to be great. So go outside, Do it for yourself. Do it for your family. Do it for your community. I will see you later. Thanks.